Hi, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to add a mandatory field in Wix.com. So if you, for example, want to make an email or phone number mandatory when your customers, they fill out a form on your website, I'll teach you how to do that in this tutorial. If you're using a generic template like this one, for example, you can actually use the built-in contact form. You need to go and create your own. Because if you go and try and use this field, you need to go back to Wix dashboard for the website, go to CMS down here, and then you need to, select the form that you're trying to add required fields to. So for example, my contact form, if I go here and click manage fields, I should be able to click here on a field, let's say email here, click edit, and then I should be able to go to validations here and make it mandatory, but I can't do that. So instead we need to go back to our website editor. We need to delete this form, so just backspace, and now we go over here to add an element. So go down to contact forms and click create new form, and then click here. From here, we can start creating our new Wix form to allow people to contact us. And it's going to land in the Wix dashboard inbox the same way any other form is. So here we can also add every field that we want to add to it. So let's say first name, last name, email, phone number. And then you can also do, a long answer, for example, so people can write what's wrong with an item. You can add a file upload button, and then that's pretty much it. I think this is a pretty good and standard template. So now to actually make something mandatory, we can click on the form here, and then we can go over here in general here, and then toggle this button on next to required fields. So make sure to select the one that you want. Let's say email wants to be mandatory, then toggle this field on. And you can see there's a little star added here, and let's do the same for phone number, for example. And then once you're happy with everything, then you can click save here, and it's going to get added to your Wix website. And then cross away from it here. And now you can see that we have a form. You can move it around as you want to, and you can also go in and edit all the colors and where they need to be on the website. You can play around with that yourself. But now we actually have mandatory fields. You can see that from these stars. So that means when people, they fill out the form, and if they forget anything, they can submit this contact us form until they've added the email and phone number, for example, in this case. So yeah, that's how you can make fields required in Wix.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you.